What if you could simply press a button that gave you 24/7 protection and was 99.9% effective against the virus that causes COVID-19, as well as countless other viruses, pathogens, bacteria, and allergens? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can. Today, I want to introduce to you one of only 75 products to ever be inducted into NASA's Space Technology Hall of Fame. It's recently even garnered attention of national media. This technology is called ActivePure. ActivePure is a patented, much more advanced form of PCO technology. PCO stands for photocatalytic oxidation, which can destroy particles as little as 0.001 microns. The all-new Air and Surface Pro purification system uses this technology to safely and effectively deploy disinfecting molecules into the air. These tiny little molecules seek and destroy pathogens in the air and on surfaces. This is very different than other purification technologies that take a passive approach, requiring the pathogens to be pulled into a HEPA filter, UV light, or plain PCO mechanism, which frankly are inefficient and have been studied to potentially produce dangerous byproducts. With ActivePure, you simply press a button of the setting that you desire and you let it go to work. What the Air and Surface Pro does is continuously dispatch supercharged submicroscopic particles at a tremendous rate of speed of 1,200 feet per second. These ionized particles then go on offense against these pathogens by piercing its shell, destroying its living environment, and rendering it completely harmless. What you've done is neutralized and killed the threat. What you essentially have is your very own PPE working around you non-stop to ensure that your air and all of the high-touch surfaces are 99.9% free and clear of viruses, bacteria, allergens, and pathogens. In one of these conclusive tests, the Air and Surface Pro reduced the virus that causes COVID-19 by 99.96% in just 3 minutes. Think about that. It all but eliminated the threat of the virus in 180 seconds. ActivePure has become so trusted, our major clients now include the International Space Station, Cleveland Clinic, Major League Baseball, U.S. Capitol buildings, as well as a quickly growing number of schools, businesses, and homes all across the U.S. and Canada, a number of which my team is personally working with. That is why I'm sharing this with you today. Listen, we don't need a pandemic to understand the importance of this product. Safeguarding ourselves against viruses and pathogens is something that we should all be concerned about anyways. Now more than ever, putting ActivePure technology in homes and businesses or schools and workplaces is exactly the type of proactive, common sense solutions that we need to move the needle forward and prevent this type of event ever happening again. Help us open America back up and ensure that we keep it open in the future with ActivePure technology.